Take a ride in the 2020 Toyota Highlander. The Highlander is the SUV that's thought of everything. The Highlander offers seating for up to 7 and features Toyota's innovative center stow design. The second row bench seat folds away, leaving a pair of captain's chairs. A 2010 top safety pick, the Highlander is where substance meets style. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, power liftgate, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, fog lights, electronic stability control, rear window defroster, security system, trip computer, power windows, heated front seats, remote keyless entry, brake assist, power moonroof, panic alarm, overhead console. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.